now. Don't have the light on.
Oh, I notice you're there now. You're trying to zoom in.
Yeah. Oh, did it just change colour? What is that?
Yeah.
It's like a jelly bean.
UFO.
Yeah, it's
UFO,
full changing colour.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll
What,
show
on
you.
your phone?
Yeah. I'm zoomed in as far as I can.
Are you filming it?
Yeah, I think so.
Got the torch on still.
I know. Can't turn it off, but it's going towards the moon and looks like it's getting smaller and it looks like it's just about to disappear.
Oh yeah, went red.
It's gone.